Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the most high-end smartphone that ever exists. We can expect that the features that will be offered by it will be insane and mind-blowing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will be a sharp and giant 6.8 inches dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touchscreen display. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is expected to come with one of the most powerful chipset in the market, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8A Lite, with a 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. On the other hand, you will have a 12 GB of RAM with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory capacity. In terms of camera, which consists of 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 3x telephoto lens and 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens sensors, 10 megapixel ultra wide, the extra large 50,000 mAh battery pack is enough for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra to run it for the whole day on just a single charge. The phone will run on Android 15 operating system. There will be an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. That's all for now and thanks for watching.